on handbrake, off handbrake. So the lights will light up. It'll be great for a night, and then it's just great for other drivers to know exactly what you're doing. We're gonna wake up early tomorrow to get to the track so we can freaking drive, baby. Are you stoked for Drift Indy, dude?
Yeah.
The best in the Midwest. Let's go. We had a really sick day today. All right, guys, we are back and we are going to Drift Indy. But before we do, we have some work to do. So Ian is here in the shop with me. So we are going to be getting a bunch of stuff done today. Basically, all the things that we need to do to make sure that this thing's bulletproof for Drift Indy, and then the surprise that we have after that. But yeah, we have a steering column to clear. We've tightened down our header bolts. I'm working on wiring still, so we're getting the wiring kind of sorted out. Made some pigtail connectors for our dash unit that we made last night. And yeah, so we're making some really good progress. Ian got the throttle bodies off, and we were about to get this heater core out of here, and we were going to replace these lines with AN lines because I don't know what else to do to try to make this thing bulletproof, but we're at our wit's end with these current pipes that we have on there, current hoses. It's just not working. We've tried multiple different hose clamps, multiple different things, so we're just going to fix it. This is it. So we'll keep you posted as we make some progress. All right, guys, Ian and I have made some super good progress. We are filling it up with coolant right now, which is good news because that means we replaced all of our lines with brand new 10 AN lines. You guys can see some of our work. We got to rebleed the coolant again, and then we've hooked everything back up. Oh, I have one hose clamp right here that we got to hook up still, so I will do that. So everything else is hooked back up here, and then as far as this goes, we are about to install our wiring harness for the first time. So I completely outdid myself a little bit and made a full chassis harness kind of deal for this thing. It's definitely overkill, but looks sick. It's gonna function forever and I'll never have to touch it again. We cleaned out the floor tray because there's so much freaking coolant in there. It was disgusting. New wiring harness is done. I did this weird thing for a hydraulic handbrake, and I've never seen anyone else do it yet. Maybe somebody else has. If you have seen this before, let me know. If not, I think I'm the first one, so give me credit. As I rip my handbrake, those lights activate. So every time I'm on handbrake, so I'm on now, I'm off handbrake, on handbrake, off handbrake. So the lights will light up. It'll be great for a night, and then it's just great for other drivers to know exactly what you're doing. We'll see. This is either gonna be super stupid and I'm gonna unplug it, or we're gonna love it and it's gonna be sick. Other people might do this. Let's start this thing up, get it outside. We got the coolant to bleed. Get this thing going. All right, boys, it is 2 in the morning. Good morning, Ian. How are you? Tired. Ian's just waking up. We're gonna drop off the trailer and the car and all the tires, and then we're gonna go straight to the hotel. We're gonna wake up early tomorrow to get to the track so we can freaking drive, baby.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, boys. Drift Indy, baby. Today is practice day. It is not raining yet, but it looks like it's supposed to rain both Saturday and Sunday on and off, like pretty high percentage of chance. That really sucks because everybody hates competing in the wet. It's gonna be slick out there for sure, and people might slide into each other. We're about to leave soon, go reunite with the car, prep the car, and let's go out there and freaking kill it this weekend, boys. I'm stoked. Let's go, baby. Alrighty, boys. Ian and I are out here for Drift Indy. We are just getting out of our hotel this morning. We got in last night to drop the car off at 2 a.m. and then got to sleep maybe around like 3:30. And yeah, up today early. Are you stoked for Drift Indy, dude?
Yeah.
The best in the Midwest. Let's go. We're out here at Kil-Kare. About to move the car real fast to our little parking spot. Car looks sick. I can't wait to get this thing off the trailer, check everything out, make sure it's all good. All right, boys, we're gonna go out there and get some laps in just to kind of prep a little bit more for comp. Also, my hands are getting sweaty in here. I think I'm just gonna rock the whole no gloves. had a really sick day today. Unfortunately, like, I'm really not happy with any of my entry laps today. I don't know why, but like, I just could not keep it together for the life of me. And I don't know why. It just did not feel good all day. It partly felt like a tire issue and it partly felt like a setup issue. And it's like, we could have made some changes to the car, but the last time I was at the track, it was fine. And the only difference was the entry, and everything else on the course felt fine unless I made a mistake. And then like, I realized that it was my fault. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how tomorrow goes. I think we're just gonna air up the rears, maybe air up the fronts a little bit more, and just send it, because that will at least allow us to run third gear into entry and then make the whole transition feel a lot better. So this is it. Ian, how was day one for you, dude?
It's good. Yeah, I did a lot of filming. It's cool to see the outside of the car. I really wasn't feeling 100% today, so I'm not super upset about missing out, but tomorrow I'm excited to see more, and it's a good day.
We are back out here at Kil-Kare today. Today is day 2, which means that we are competing.